Recently, many customers have been asking about material throwing, and we will explain how FIDA disk feeding, asynchronous motor follow-up control signals, and disk sensors not sensing can cause material throwing. If there is material flying into the feeder and getting stuck in the roller during production, then, when the material belt reaches this position, it will get stuck and cause throwing. The main reasons for feeding are inadequate maintenance and foreign objects stuck in the material. If the follow-up control signal of this motor is not synchronized, it will also cause material throwing. The asynchronous control signal of the motor follow-up material may be caused by abnormal control signals or motor faults. If the disk sensor is not sensitive, it will cause the material belt to move forward by one grid, resulting in being moved forward by two or half grids. If the disk sensor is not sensitive, it will also cause material throwing. The most common cause of feeder throwing is material jamming or inadequate cleaning inside, so the feeder needs to be regularly maintained to reduce the throwing rate. Follow us to learn more about SMT machines.